This is all been over, rotten, bent real bad up there. So we started work cleaning out the barn. Got a lot of it cleaned up. Still got some things over there. Got some wood up here we got to put back in. All this is getting spread out and trying to make it as level as possible. Still got a long ways to go. After all that, we're going to start repairing some of this. I don't know. This whole wall's pretty much missing. That wall's falling in. But still crushing. That's a good thing. Not sure if you can see this here behind me. Well, you probably can. But all that rock leaned in has to be repaired. Obviously, new tin all the way around. Gonna do concrete in here eventually too. Well, we're still not done. Got to stack some 2x4, 1x6s and 1x4s over there. A trailer full of them. And again, this wall is going to be replaced. All the tin on the roof will be replaced. Well, actually, all the tin will be replaced eventually. That whole wall needs to be repaired. So yeah. And right now, like I said, we're just trying to spread out some of this dirt. So that eventually one day, we can put some, well, we're gonna put gravel in here now, but eventually we're gonna put concrete in here. You can't see it, but up there is my dad's house. And this empty place back here is where my brother is gonna be building his house. So, it would be nice to have a barn that you can go through both ways. Shit. is a brand new day. Sorry I had to leave the other day before the gravel got brought in here, but it got brought in. Jake spread a little bit around. Still need some around the edges. All the edges. That's got to be shoveled in. There's plenty of gravel left out there also. So one day when it hasn't been raining and all, we'll get back out here and get it all finished up again. So what we'll be doing eventually, like I already said, is this is all been over, rotten, bent real bad up there. Anyway, so I think most of this side of the barn will have to be completely repaired. All this right here looks a lot worse than it actually is. That's probably going to be the hardest thing to fix, is this end. Other than that, we'll have to put new boards on the side. Once we take the old tin off, we'll put new boards on the sides and new tin on the roof, new tin on the sides. Really just need room for cars. Gotta have somewhere to put the vehicles. There's a good bit of them. So that's what we're trying to do, is get this ready for that. And then we'll be doing the same thing on this one. Of course, these are all projects in the working. So just got to find time to do them all. That's the way it goes, though. So until next time, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. We definitely appreciate it. I definitely appreciate it. I say we, it's really just me. So yeah, definitely subscribe to the channel, and we'll see y'all next time.